Welcome to the exciting episode where I get the car headlights in and working. Sort of. Well, we'll wait for the carbon fibre fairies to turn up and sort the bonnet out. I've put the old one back on temporarily just to keep the inside dry. And that now has its pretty Porsche lining back in place so it doesn't look too bad. And I'm going to look at the electrics in the wings. So that's headlights, side lights, indicators, everything. Yeah. If you thought I didn't know about carbon fibre, wait till you see what I don't know about electrics. Got some here, got some kind of sensor there, got one of them, got two there, of the same loom, and over this side, another one of those little blue sensor things, and only one of these things this side. That looks like some kind of bespoke Porsche VW type plug. Yeah, those four there are little skinny wires. I'm guessing kind of control wires. Those are 1.5mm, so they look like power wires. Or actually probably greys are the brands are probably Earths. Here, got another 10 pins. A whole stack of wires going there. What the hell do they do? Oh, now this bit, that's going to be a horn. So, first job done. We fixed the horn. Right, how the hell do I find out what those 26 wires do? With no idea what the wires coming at the car meant, I thought I'd have the lights, see if I could work out where they're going to, and check they actually did what I wanted. Okay, these little lights came with H4 on them. I want to replace that so all 5 of those go into a single plug, so I need to remove that. I've always wanted how to do that. Quick bit of Googling revealed you need a special pin that slots into those holes, which you can't see. There's little holes next to the pins, and then it just slides out easily. Well, went on Google and found a pack of pins. Yeah, it comes with God knows how many of these. £15. So hopefully one of these will fit in there. Yeah, they do work. No, it's not as easy as they say. If you buy the right connector, it's a lot easier, but they're £15 each, and you need a different one for every connector type. So I struggled on manfully. Each side of the car's going to have a big headlight and a little headlight. They basically do the same thing, but there's no indicator for the little headlight. So I wired those together and got them to a single connector to control everything, and then tested it. I'd love to know how easy it is to work out the Porsche wiring diagrams, but it's not. Google tells you 5 different answers, at least 10 different ways. Everything's in cock up. I even used Grok AI to suggest something, and I sort of worked out headlight, main beam. But when it came to side lights and indicators, Jesus, yeah, you can see what I was doing. And here are the tests of the main headlights. There are the indicators flashing. A little worried about a flicker on that one, but I'm not going to mention that to it. There we have the side lights on. 1 bar, 1 bar, 1 bar, 1 bar. Interesting, the main headlights are slightly oranger. Peculiar. Quick check back in the garage, and both side lights are bright white. Why aren't they like that of the car? This is several weeks later, and I traced every wire, tried to find any short anything. I could not get those side lights to stay the same brightness. I gave up. I'm going to leave it with different coloured side lights. I would share with you what the Porsche wiring was, but I'm not certain I got it right, so I don't want to put out something there which might be dangerous. And I'm going to go and get a proper return election to look at this once the car's up. Well, they all work, even the walking home side lights, but it doesn't feel like success because I can't get those bloody side lights equal, and I need to get them done properly by someone who knows what they're doing. Anyway, like, subscribe, and all that jazz. Cheers, guys.